Welcome back to Darak Watches. I'm Darak. Today we have a sponsor video from Namoki mods. Gerard from Namoki contacted me around a month ago to see if I'm interested to take a look at their new crown at 3 o'clock position case. Namoki is always one of my favorite online parts supplier. They are a Singapore-based company, but they have a free and fast shipping if you spend $30 or more. And they always ship in this metal tin can. I never receive any broken parts, which is very good. Okay, so this is their new NMK 904 3 o'clock crown position case. There are 3 options: polished brushed, sandblasted, and black PVD. I actually like how they did with the crown guard. It looks like a samurai crown guard, but it has rounded edges. It is very comfortable on the wrist. This is their SKX sapphire crystal display case back. It doesn't come with the case, you need to buy it separately. This is their SKX PVD matte black red S crown. This is the black PVD sub style bezel. This is the dual time stealth ceramic bezel insert. We also saw the sub style stealth bezel insert from the beginning of the video. What I like with Namoki's bezel insert is they always put the adhesive on the bezel. You just peel it off and use it. Very easy. This is the matte black chapter ring. This is the Namoki DiveMaster Stealth dial. I don't know where they reference from, but the hollow indices looks very cool. To continue with the stealth theme, I used the black SKX style hands. This is the NMK 302 double dome sapphire crystal no bevel edge. Now we will start installing this watch. The first step, I will use some dial dot to fix the chapter ring to the case. After the chapter ring is installed, I will start installing the crystal, the case back, and the crown. In this step, I'm using a press to install the crystal. You have to be very cautious in this step or you will damage the crystal gasket, which when it deforms, it's trash. You need to get a new one. Or in the worst case scenario, you will shatter the crystal, which is very bad. So my opinion is you need to press a little, turn around and press even more to get even force all the way. If you like this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. Thank you very much. This is the water pressure tester. For this tester, it can test up to 50 meters of water resistance. Now I place the case above water, pump it up to 50 meters of water pressure, leave it there for 10 minutes. If there is a leak in the case, now the air have a chance to seep into the case and balance out the pressure. After 10 minutes, I will drop the watch underwater and release the pressure. If we can see a tiny steady stream of bubble coming out of the case, it means the case is not waterproof. In this step, we will install the dial to the movement. If you buy any aftermarket dial, they will have 2 sets of dial pin at the back of the dial. So the dial can either be installed in the 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock crown positioned case. So I recommend to lay your movement on the table, pointed the crown to the correct position in the case, and attach the dial onto the movement. And you will see there's only one set of dial pin well aligned to the movement holder. Use a Sharpie to mark out that dial pin so you won't accidentally cut it. Now you can just use a pair of side cutter to cut away the dial pin you don't need. Just need to cut it flush. If you cannot cut it flush, you can use a file to file it down. Okay, we have a no date dial, but we still need to treat it with movement like we have the date window. So we need to let it snap over to the next date that indicate midnight, so we won't accidentally change the time when it's changing date. That will mess up the movement. In this step, we will install the hands. A shameless plug here, actually designed this handset press jig. If you want one yourself, there is a link in the video description. You can go in and download and 3D print it yourself. Now is the time to marry the movement to the case. In this step, I will custom fit the stem to the watch. After pre-fitting to the watch, I will use a caliper to measure how much I need to take away. After the crown is fitted correctly, I will use Loctite 271 to glue the stem to the crown. The last step will be installing the bezel click spring, the bezel, and the bezel insert. Alright, now the watch is finished. Because we have this black and red theme going on, so I went ahead and ordered a crafted blue dive strap, not a sponsor by the way. Really makes the watch pop. Always wanted a full black stealth watch, and this might be the one for me because all black, it's a bit boring, but a little bit color, it's so cool. If you found this video is entertaining and educational, please like the video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help out the channel a lot. There are more videos like this in my channel. Please take your time to watch them all. Thank you for your support. If you have any questions, comment, concern, or you want to order a watch just like this, please write me an email. It is contact@darakwatches.com. This has been Darak from Darak Watches. I will see you next time. Bye.